Good morning, students. So, till this point, I have covered exercise 1.4, right, of number system. And in the last class, I have explained you how to rationalize denominator, right? So, today I'm going to give you some more examples. Try to learn those examples, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom session, okay? So, without wasting any more time, I'll give you one example, okay? So, there is one example. 1 upon 2 plus root 3. So you just need to rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. So the question is 1 upon 2 plus root 3. So you just need to solve this fraction. Especially you just need to rationalize the denominator. So what does rationalize means? Rationalize means you just need to multiply the negative of this number, like 1 upon 2 plus 3. So rationalize means you just need to multiply and divide numerator and denominator by this number. So this is known as rationalization. So बेटा rationalize का मतलब ही क्या होता है, जो नंबर आपके पास है उसका नेगेटिव पार्ट आपने क्या करा, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड कर दिया इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. This is known as rationalization. Now you can simply solve this question. 1 into 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 multiplication 2 minus root 3, right? Now if you are multiplying any number with 1, you will get the same number. So in numerator what I'll get, 2 minus root 3. Any doubt? Now I have explained you this thing earlier, that a plus b and a minus b can be written as a square minus b square, algebraical identity, right? So a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b can be written as a square minus b square, beta. A square minus b square. Any doubt in this? Now 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 का square is 2 2s are 4, root 3 का square is 3 only, right? Root 3 is square, right? So root 3 can be written as 3 की power 1 by 2 की whole power 2, right? Now using the law of exponent, 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 1, 2 से 2 cancel, so 3. So root 3 square is equals to 3. So what answer you will get here is 2 root 3 divided by 1, or you can simply write 2 minus root 3 is your answer. Please note it down fast. So this is known as rationalization. You rationalize here the denominator. The denominator is rationalized like this, 2 minus root 3 in denominator and 2 minus root 3 in numerator. Please note it down fast. Now try to solve this example. Rationalize the denominator. Again the question is same. What you need to do is, here is minus, so in rationalization what you will do, root 3 plus root 5, root 3 plus root 5, right? So in rationalization what you need to do is, the denominator, you just need to change the sign of the denominator and then multiply the same value in the numerator as well as denominator. So जो आपके पास वैल्यू डिनोमिनेटर में थी बेटा, जो भी डिनोमिनेटर वैल्यू आपको गिवन होती है उसमें जो साइन होता है, sorry, you just need to change the sign. Okay, so here is negative, so I just put positive and I multiplied numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, now just multiply this thing. What you will get in the numerator, 5 root 3 plus root 5. In the denominator, root 3 minus root 5 and root 3 plus root 5. Now what you need to do is 5 root 3 plus root 5. Don't multiply here. A minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b will always give you a square minus b square, right? So a minus b, a plus b can be written as like this. Any doubt? Any doubt to any student? Okay. Then 5 bracket root 3 plus root 5 divided by root 3 square is 3, root 5 square is 5. So I can write 5 root 3 plus root 5. 3 minus 5 is equals to minus 2. Any doubt? Or you can simply write 5 upon 2 minus and in bracket root 3 plus root 5. This is your answer. Please note it down fast. Now there is another example, and the next example is rationalize the denominator of 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2, right? How to solve this? 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. So how to rationalize this? This is plus, so what I'll need to write here is negative. So 7 minus 3 root 2. 7 minus 3 root 2. Now, what I will get in numerator? 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2. A plus b, a minus b. In the denominator, again I will get a value a plus b, a minus b. In the numerator, 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 square minus 3 root 2 square, right? What identity I have used here is a plus b and a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, and 3 root 2 square can be written as 3 into 3 into root 2 into root 2. So 3 3s are 9. Root 2 into root 2 equals to 2. 9 2s are 18. I think this thing is clear to you all. So 7 minus 3 root 2 in the numerator divided by 7 7s are 49 minus 18 in the denominator, right? So I can write 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 9 minus 8, 1, 4 minus 1, 3. So 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 31 is your answer. 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 31 is your answer. Note it down fast, then we will start with some question of exercise 1.5. Okay. So this is the first question of exercise 1.5, that classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. So here you just need to tell me for in the first, second, third, fourth and fifth, which one is rational, which one is irrational. Okay. So as you all know that 2 is rational, but root 5 is irrational. So the result will give you an irrational number. So overall it is an irrational number. Irrational number. So 2 is rational, root 5 is irrational. When you subtract an irrational number by a rational number, the result is always comes out to be an irrational number. Okay. Similarly, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Okay, so 3 plus under root 23 minus under root 23, cancel out these two terms. The result that you got is 3, and 3 is a rational number because it can be represented in this form. So 3 is a rational number. So this number is irrational. This number is also irrational. So irrational minus irrational can give you rational or irrational number. Any doubt in this? Okay. I hope this thing is clear to you all. If not, you can ask me in the Zoom session. Okay. Now, okay. Now 2 root 7. This is irrational. This is irrational. But the result is rational, right? Root 7 cancel out, 2 upon 7, but the result is rational. So this is your answer, this is your answer, this is your answer. Now 1 upon root 2, this is irrational. This is irrational because root 2 is an irrational number, right? So this is irrational number. Similarly, as you all know that pi is irrational, so 2 into pi, if you multiply a rational number with an irrational number, so 2 is rational, pi is irrational. So the product of rational irrational number is irrational. And I have already told you why pi is irrational, because it is non-terminating, non-repeating value. The decimal expansion of pi is non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating. That's why pi is irrational. So when you multiply a rational with an irrational number, the result will always comes out to be an irrational number. So please note it down fast. So these are the reasons. Okay. Please note it down fast. Now see, the next question is, simplify each of the following expressions. The first question is 3 plus root 3 when multiplied with 2 plus root 2. So as I have already told you how to multiply these two values, right? So first 3 into 2, then 3 into root 2, then root 3 into 2, then root 3 into root 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 2 is root 6. This is your answer. Any doubt to any student? So please let me know. Okay, I'll explain you another question. बेटा इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट तो नहीं है. You just need to multiply two values, and I have already told you how to multiply these two values. So 3 plus root 3 when multiplied with 2 plus root 2. So first 3 is multiplied with 2, then 3 is multiplied with root 2, then this root 3 is multiplied with 2, then this root 3 is multiplied with root 2. 3 2s are 6, 3 into root 2 will give you 3 root 2, root 3 into 2 will give you 2 root 3, and root 3 into root 2 will give you root 6. Any doubt? If not, then it's okay. Then we will move to second question. 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. Similarly, you just need to multiply these two values. First you need to multiply 3 with 3, then 3 with this root 3, then this root 3 with 3, and this root 3 with root 3. So 3 into 3 plus 3 minus 3 root 3, then plus root 3 into 3, then root plus minus root 3 into root 3, right? 3 3s are 9 minus 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 minus root 3 into root 3 is equals to 3. These two values get cancelled out. So 9 minus 3 is equals to 6, right? Or you can simply use the formula that I have already told you, a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b will give you a square minus b square. So this can directly be solved like this. 3 square minus root 3 square. 3 3s are 9 minus 3 will give you 6. So please note it down fast, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the Zoom session, okay? But please watch these videos, okay? So this is all for the day. Question number 5. This is all for the day, okay students? And I am giving you some homework also. And the homework is question number 2nd, part 3rd and part 4th, and question number 5th is your homework. All parts of question number 5th. Okay. So watch these videos, submit your homework, because on that basis you will get the attendance. Okay. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the Zoom session. Okay then, thank you.